you guys probably already know what we're doing today. We are going to be looking at random stuff I have around me and then stuff that I know I'm going to get. So, this is before Christmas, if you guys realize to look at the date. Hashtag me every time I look at a video. I have this little wall doll right now next to me. I don't know her name, so, yeah. Got her glasses. Very cute, very cute. Her outfit is very pink and she's very sparkly and it's kind of hurting my eyes because of how much the pink it is. I don't know if you guys know this, but I don't really like pink that much. Oh yeah, and on Christmas I'm getting a piano, which I'm very, very excited for. Again, not trying to brag, I never am. Am I too young for YouTube? Because I don't feel young. Yeah, I'm a potato. I know that. I'm a hot potato. My nose is so okay, guys, stay tuned for book number 2. We actually have it right now, but I'm probably gonna post it. The book actually, it's being read tomorrow or something like that. I don't understand YouTubers because they always say like their videos go up like weeks before it actually happens or whatever. But like they act like their videos take days. But then in the moment it just kind of makes sense. Mine only have like skits. Like my videos are so like skits. It's like skits. I don't know what to do right now anyways, but I really want to make a video and I felt like one. Correct me if I'm wrong, but has it been 2 hours? Because it's a little time thing. Oh, no, it hasn't. Sorry, I'm kind of being plebby right now. But when I look up to record my video, it says my time right about there. Boop, 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 boop. And it's, seconds and milliseconds. So I was thinking like the normal seconds were minutes and the milliseconds were just seconds. Hashtag cringe. Yeah. So no, it's only been 3 minutes now. Oh my god, my hair's so pretty. Why do I always care about